Prince Amanda, good evening to both of you. That decision has changed in the last 24 hours. That's because just as of yesterday, there were just no guidelines from the CDC when it comes to travel specifically related to the coronavirus and Italy. Well, as of this morning, that has now changed.
At around noon, I received notice just from watching the news that there was an outbreak of coronavirus in Italy.
5 coronavirus-related deaths and more than 200 people infected in the country, where Bristol Health District Director Marco Palmieri says some Bristol Central High School students had just traveled from. Palmieri says after notifying the proper people.
I researched the CDC, the WHO, the World Health Organization, the Department of Public Health's websites.
But as of Sunday, there were no clear guidelines on the coronavirus for anyone traveling to and from Italy specifically. So as a precaution, Palmieri says he sent out a letter to staff and parents who attended the trip and recommended they stay home until the district has more clear information from state health officials and the CDC.
We felt that perhaps it's going to take some time for the authorities to digest all that.
As recent as Monday morning, the CDC put Italy under watch level 1, which means travelers should practice usual precautions if they decide to travel to the area. The CDC also says if you've been to Italy in recent weeks and feel ill, you should contact your doctor. One parent we spoke with says she wasn't too worried, while another says she's glad the district took the precaution, but says she wished she knew sooner.
I am a nurse, and I am not concerned in the least. You could get exposed walking down the street, in my opinion.
I mean, I'm glad they have something now, but I mean, it's outrageous. How many kids are you putting at risk here?
And according to the health district director, as of this afternoon, they have sent out an updated advisory that includes that CDC guideline. And just to clarify that for you, according to the CDC, the students and staff that went on that trip to Italy, they are fine to return back to school as long as none of them are feeling those symptoms such as coughing or sneezing or feeling high fever. And just to double check, they need to make sure that they are monitoring those symptoms for the next couple of days. But again, as the CDC guidelines recommend, those students are back to return to school. But for now, that's the latest from Bristol. Aisha Bo, Fox 61 News.